Hello friends, I'm Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a very special festival drawing. You know already, today we are doing Ratha Yatra special drawing. Friends, see here I applied very simple process. If you follow this process, you can draw this one. Here I used some geometrical shapes. See, at first you have to draw first figure, then second figure. See second figure, here also we can apply same things. Just you have to draw some geometrical shapes. Okay, and very easily you can draw this one if you follow these steps. Okay, now see here also another figure. Just you will draw a circle, then you have to draw his body and pant and legs. Okay, now see our figure structure is completed. Not completed, figure basic steps is completed. Now we have to draw the hands. Okay, see, just in this way you have to complete the whole drawings. See, when you draw the composition, at that time just you have to follow only one thing, that first figure and second figure distance. Okay, now see, now our composition almost completed. Now if you want, so you can put some changes. If you want to add some decoration, you can add some decoration. Okay, now friends, see, almost our drawing is completed. Okay, so friends, see, in this way you have to complete the whole drawing. After completing the drawing, we can start the color. So here I will show only drawing. See the composition. Here three figures are different. They are doing different roles. A boy is holding balloons and they are busy to Ratha. See, almost our drawing is completed. Now if you want, you can complete the outline with black color sketch pen. Okay, friends, see, our composition is completed, and if you want, you can start the color. Okay, there you can apply in your choice. And friend, if you want to learn drawing and painting from me, so please don't forget to contact with us. Okay, this is our contact number. And friends, wish you very happy Ratha Yatra and bye.